My comeback video, I gotta have a slay. Because I've been through, you know, lip gloss is all fun and games until your hair gets stuck on it. Like I was saying, bitches, I'm motherfucking back. Like, I'm not even care. Like, this is my fucking intro to my video. If you wanna know how I got this look, I'm looking like money back. Oh, it has been like 3 months. That's 6. But I mean 3. It's been like 3 months since I even made a video. My life has been so hectic. It's been wild. It's been crazy, okay? But that's a whole nother video for a whole nother time. Today I'm gonna show y'all how I got this glam. Bam. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, like I'm like a pretty motherfucking princess. I'm Princess Tiana right here in this fucking moment, bitch. Y'all wanna see how I got this look? Watch this video. So first, I'm going to prime my eye with NYX. Okay, it's just the white eyeshadow primer pot that you get from NYX. Okay, I'm just gonna put this all over my eyelid. This helps the color come on vibrantly because I'm already brown, like I'm really chocolate, and I'm going for like a chocolate look. So I don't want the colors to like really blend into my skin. So this white helps it stand out a lot. Because without this, the shadow would just like blend into your skin and won't be really vibrant or prominent, and you know, what's the point? When you're done doing that, you do want to go ahead and blend it out. Not too much, just around the edges. Just around the edges, but you still want your all your eyelids to be white, okay? That's okay, because we're gonna put some color to it. Okay, so the first color I'm going in with is gonna be in the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I think that's the name, Juvia's Place, yeah. It's gonna be this brown right here. The next brown that I use will be by the Saharian 2 palette from Juvia's Place as well. It's going to be this brown right here. This brown. This brown right here. You want to carefully place this brown. What I did, I just dabbed it. Literally like right under where the blending stopped for the other one. Just pat there. This is just adding definition, okay? And then you just blend that out a little bit. Just a blending brush and blend that out at the bottom and just at the top. Not where I patted. I just want to blend it out like literally right above those just so it can transition nicely, okay? You don't want to get rid of that color. You don't want to blend it out too much. You need it for definition. Actually, I'm gonna use this brown that I never used. You guys always see me use this Tarte palette for a mirror when I do my makeup. But it has this brown in here that's like a really deep brown, and I like that, okay? I got this Tarte palette so long ago. Don't judge me. This shit is busted, okay? Let it be busted. Let it be busted. But we're gonna use this brown. It comes in handy. This brown right here. I'm gonna use it in our crease, and I'm using a crease brush to go ahead and do that. I'm literally dabbing right in the crease, okay? Create your crease, because I have hooded lids. So what I do is go right above my hooded lid and just dab a dark color. This one happens to be brown today. And you just dab it to create your crease, okay? You want the line to be sharp. You don't really want it to be blended everywhere. You're like kind of like drawing a line with the crease brush to make your crease. Like literally that's all I'm doing. I'm like drawing a line to create my crease, okay? Again, I'm gonna go in with the blending brush and just blend that out so it won't be so harsh. Like you see that? Like that is not cute. Like don't walk out with your eyeshadow not blended. So get a blending brush and blend out that crease. So how you blend it, you wanna go straight at the top and just blend it out. Blend it in, not blend out, blend in with the shadow that you already put on there. Now we're going to use that same NYX primer that we used earlier. Oh, and we're going to cut a crease. This is how you cut creases, guys. Like, you can't cut a crease without going over your shadow again with the primer, okay? So you got the primer on your flat head brush, concealer brush, okay? And you make your crease, your cut, okay? So with me, like I said, I have a hooded lid, so I went a little bit above my hooded lid to make the dark. So I'm going to go, again, right above my crease and clean it up and cut it out with this white primer. You don't want to go all the way out because you're gonna, well, we are gonna blend this out. Just getting a fluffy brush and getting the same brown from the Tarte palette, okay? And going in and blending in the corners that same dark brown color, okay? Okay. You can pat, you can blend, as long as it's dark. Okay. And you're good. I'm taking my glitter glue and my Anastasia palette. I forgot the name of this shit is. Rose Gold, the Rose Gold palette. And I'm going to use the hashtag blessed. And I'm going to put it, my glitter glue, right inside of the pot. I don't know if y'all can see. Right inside of the pot. Squeeze a little bit. And then, again, getting a flat head brush, concealer brush. Just going to mix it into the color. Can y'all see? Mix it into the color. Okay. Alright. So you gotta get some of that, and then you're just gonna go over where you just cut out your crease, okay? I'm gonna go in with the dark brown from the Tarte palette, and I'm just blending in the color just so everything looks nice and neat together, not too sharp. Thank you guys for watching my comeback video. Okay, if you guys like what you saw, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram at LaChelleExplainsItAll. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, LaChelleExplainsItAll. Okay, do it now. I'm waiting, you're waiting. What's the hold up, bitch? Watch my other videos that will be after this. I have traveled. I'll have experienced some things in life that I want to share with you guys. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that, because I know I'm not the only one who's been through it. I'm not the only one who's looking to travel, so I want to share my experiences on traveling and life and death and moving on and making big decisions and transitioning and growing and falling off and all this shit. Like, I have tons of stories for y'all, and I wish you guys would follow me and subscribe to me if you guys have any interest in the things that I've been doing in the last few months, and it's been a fucking story. Like, I would say I should write a book, and I'm too lazy to do that, but I can talk for days. So follow my YouTube. Hopefully you guys can understand me better and connect with me better and subscribe to me and connect with me and relate to me. Like, that's the number one thing. I'm on here and I'm doing this to reach out to people and show them that they're not the only people that's going through these things. And I want to be relatable. You know, it's not even all about, you know, looks. Because my thing is makeup. Like, I do makeup, but I feel like people judge you off what you look like right off the bat, and they think, oh, she looks perfect. Bitch, you didn't see my face before I started this, okay, first of all. And I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect at all. My life isn't perfect. The things I go through aren't perfect. I don't handle things perfectly. And I don't always understand that in the time being, but in retrospect, after things have happened, I understand that, which is why I've taken these 3 months off in order to collect my thoughts and how I want to present it to the world, because I haven't been myself these last 3 months, and I don't know how to explain to people why I've changed. But I had to think about it, and now that I've thought about it and I've been through it, I feel like I should share with others, because I'm pretty sure other people are going through the same things that I've been through. And I know this is a long ass rant for the end of the video, but I just want you guys to know a little bit of what you guys are getting yourself into. If you subscribe to me, I will not just be doing makeup. I will be doing life stories, life events, things to learn, things to grow from, things that you'll fail at, things that I'm still working at. Like, you're going to get stories, okay? So follow me, and hopefully by following me, you find yourself. And hopefully by you guys following me, it helps me find myself even more by opening up and being more transparent to people. So, yeah. Thank you for listening.